In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your profile name in Zoho. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your name displays correctly across your Zoho apps. Let's start from your Zoho CRM home screen. First, look at the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your photo, your initials, or a default avatar, depending on your setup. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This is where Zoho keeps your personal account options, so it's the starting point for any profile changes. After you click the profile icon, a small menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled My Account. This will take you out of the CRM area and into your main Zoho account settings, where your personal details, security settings, and other preferences are managed. Before you can continue, Zoho may ask you to verify your identity with a verification code or a one-time password, often called an OTP. This is a security step to make sure it's really you changing your account information. Check the method you've set up for verification, such as your email inbox or your authentication app, and retrieve the code. Enter the code carefully, making sure there are no extra spaces or wrong digits, and then confirm. If the code doesn't work, request a new one and try again. Once verification is successful, you'll be redirected to a new window or tab that shows your Zoho account dashboard. Here, you'll see your basic account information, including your current profile name. Take a moment to confirm you're on the page that displays your personal details, not organization-wide settings. On this page, look for an option or button labeled Edit next to your name or profile information. Click on Edit to enable changes. This will turn your name fields into editable text boxes. Now, follow the on-screen prompts. Update your first name, last name, or any other name fields exactly as you want them to appear. Pay attention to spelling and capitalization, since this is how your name will show up to colleagues and in system notifications. When you're happy with the changes, save or update your profile as instructed on the screen. After saving, Zoho will apply your new profile name across the account. You can refresh your CRM tab and check the top right corner to confirm that your updated name is now visible.